Hey, what's going on, guys? JPRK31 here. I am back. I'm opening a Topps Chrome 2026 Marble, the blaster box. This one has the exclusive Raywave parallels, so every box get two. And let me see how much packaging. All right, 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, so 32 cards total. Saw this at Dick's Sporting Goods. Got it for like $40, so let's try ahead and get it. This was hard to find last year, but the price $40. Hopefully the flippers probably put this for like $60. So, but hopefully they don't. I mean, price wise, $40. Wish they're back to like 24, but 40 is very pricey. But anyway, all right. So here's our first Raywave Devil Dinosaur. And is he even like a marble? All right, and then you got Psylocke, Miles Morales, and Captain Britain. I'm gonna add this to my collection. Ant-Man refractor. Omega Red. This is White Tiger and Kitty Pryde. Hopefully pull like a Wolverine or Spider-Man. Got Mysterio, Abomination, Shang-Chi, and Adam Warlock. Nice chrome cards. And we have this is the Fantastic Years Invisible Woman. Nice looking card. 65. So this is probably the anniversary. So that's the anniversary inserts. It's Galactus, Black Panther, Mantis. Here's the second Raywave of Trog. Very underwhelming on the Raywave. Enchantress, She-Hulk. That's always She-Hulk's post. Hawkeye. I saw the hobby box gift. I was selling it for like $650. There's no way. That's a lot of money. First appearance of Dragonfire Refractor. Spider-Man Noir, Arcade, and Mr. Sinister. All right, 2 more packs. No number of cards. $40. A little bit of a stretch. Wolverine. That's like Wolverine. So this is Wolverine and Ghost Rider combined. Fanfare, Wolverine. Nice looking card. Refractor type. Oh, there's only 2 packs in there. Spider, American Chavez. Interesting. You don't get one of these. I wonder if this is a special card, but what is special one? Not really. See, that's a nice looking card. We'll pick that. Fanfare Wolverine. Future Stars of Young Jing. Future Stars. I don't even know why they put Future Stars. Grandmaster, Venomizer, and Dragonfire again. Yeah, I don't like putting the Future Stars because what's got to use? Like for baseball, basketball, yeah, but marble, I don't know. But I guess this was the head of the box. Topps Chrome Fanfare. I don't know if that was like a case hit or what, but Looks like a badass looking card. Little delicate. That's sharpish right there, but it's a nice card. Wolverine and Ghost Rider. Assuming that's what he's Hellbrain. Hellbrain. So this is. Oh, I thought it was a combo, but oh well. Alright guys, let me know what you think. I mean, 40 bucks against Barry Stretch. Wish it was only 25, but hey, that's what we're at now. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you next break. Have a good day. Bye-bye.